So, this is my Zenith celebration and explanation of what I did. So, when I was first creating this idea, I got a lot of inspiration from some art books that I really like. The Sketching from Imagination series in particular, which does a lot of different types of themes, and it showcases some of artists that specialize in that theme. And so I took a lot from the Sketching from Imagination fantasy and sci-fi. And then I also looked a lot at 3D shorts that I remember watching as a kid and started rewatching, like Wirecutters. And so then I drafted my storyboard, which you can see here. It's very long and complex, which was one of the first challenges I encountered and would eventually see while I was trying to animate this. In the process, I started with first having some rough sketches that I had for my sketchbook. And then from there, I took it into Maya, and eventually into ZBrush, where I've drafted my monster and some of the sets here. Now, there are a lot of difficulties with this because trying to model these were quite difficult. And eventually, when I did start rigging them, I noticed that there are a lot of problems in the rigging process because I had to manually rig everything. But all in all, what I learned from my Zenith is that you should be a lot less ambitious when you're making these things, because quantity over quality. Because I tried doing two difficult things in my Zenith, which is I tried making water animations mixed in with difficult character models, which meant I had a very difficult time trying to animate it. And so, as a result, I actually didn't even animate it. I literally made a story, a little book, as you will. And it turned out nice. I'm happy with the final product. But of course, that was one of the problems that I had, and something that I would try not to repeat next time is be a lot less ambitious. Which brings me to the next thing that I learned from this, which is that I need to run my ideas by my peers more often. Because what I found was that if I had talked to people, they would have pointed out the obvious flaws in my plan that I was too stupid to see myself. But a good thing that I did learn from this process is that I want to study character modeling and rigging more often, because that was probably my favorite aspect of doing this. Thank you.